Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's quite early, so I'm going to be quite quiet. The bike's been stripped after the return from Europe, so no saddlebags, no top box, no passenger. I've ripped the sat-nav system out and all its peripheries just to give it a good clean. I've also taken off the crash bars. Let's hope that's not foreshadowing for something later on. And I've changed the settings on the GoPro, which probably won't work. And this will never get aired, but if it does and the settings look good, I'll share them with you. Let's see how we get on. Sport, cheeky little bugger. So I watched a video recently that was put up on YouTube, and it was about cinematic settings for a video. Now it was for a DJI action cam, but obviously a lot of the settings are the same, so I'm trying them on the GoPro. I did try them last weekend, but because you're altering the shutter speed and the frame rate to match, it all became a bit washed out and a bit white and a bit so I've purchased some ND filters to go on the front of the GoPro lens, which are supposed to act like sunglasses, which might work. Who knows? I mean, the other thing is that I had no sound and no commentary on the video because I hadn't changed my GoPro settings again, and I was stuck with a rather long video of pure white noise. So I'm not sure if the video settings will make any difference in this situation. There's no real edges to the road when it comes to motorways, so you're not going to get the benefit, I don't think, of the different shutter speed and the blur to the edges, but you never know. And also I put the 32 ND filter on, which is really very bright days, purely because I'll be riding back hopefully in bright sunshine later, but right now the sunshine might not be strong enough and it might be quite dark, or I may be able to edit it out in post. And this is definitely one of the most boring videos I've ever made. I'm heading to work now, it's Friday. I'm going to have a strong caffeinated beverage when I get there, and then I'm off for another week, heading off to warmer, sunnier climes without the motorbike, but with a sunbed and a pool, which is nice. So I don't use sport mode very often, and I've realised why. It's because it's like a Jack Russell on crack, but it is so much fun. And I checked the footage from the camera this morning when I got to work, and I liked it, so I thought I'd come and do a few different roads instead of the motorway commute on the way home. This might be a little bit dark for the ND filter. I was hoping it was going to be bright sunshine, wall to wall. I've softened the suspension up on the settings there to one single rider on his own, and I'm wondering whether it's too soft now, because it's a bit twitchy when you accelerate on the front end. Maybe I need a bit more weight on the front end and a bit stiffer on the rear. I'll have another play with that. I just thought I might save my posterior from excessive bumps now that I don't have the luggage and the pillion. Oh, this bike is amazing, it just does it all. There's the sort of opportunity you just want to add some cinematic music and just enjoy the journey, but then you realise you don't want to overdo the cinematic music. And you are just on a commute home, not the mountain section of the TT, unfortunately. Not on the mountain section of the TT. Well, I hope you quite like these video settings. I think I do. I haven't seen this bit of footage yet, but I will check it out and go and put it onto the video for you to look at. It's very basic, and I will put the settings down in the description. However, if you go by the rule of thumb of 4K 30 FPS, 60 shutter speed, and then ISO max at 400, ISO minimum at 100, that's basically what I've done on this GoPro 11. If you liked it, please like the video. I don't know if it helps the channel, but it gives me a warm fuzzy feeling inside. And it's just left now to say thank you very much for watching, stay safe, and I'll catch you on the flip side.